Alrighty, out here at the cemetery. Gonna run a mission. Long mission, 15 minutes.
0 feet altitude, 3 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 100% battery.
Focus looks pretty good. Kind of everything is white. This is the one I've done it before. It flies through the little like pathway in the woods across the street there between the fields. Where the hell is it going?
379 feet altitude, 425 feet distance, 18 miles per hour, 96% battery.
I think I loaded the wrong fucking mission. I'm gonna bring it back.
Mission ended.
Oopsie, my bad. There we go.
Nine feet altitude, 199 feet distance, 20 miles per hour, 91% battery.
That was the wrong mission. Cancel that. Here's the right mission. Duh, that thing would have... That was headed over towards the river or some shit. If I didn't stop it, I would never got it back. That was stupid. Yeah, watch it. Like, where the hell is it going? It's going the opposite fucking direction. Well, I lost a little bit of my battery on that, but...
111 feet altitude, 42 feet distance, 8 miles per hour,
Spice life up a little
battery.
bit. There it goes. It's on the right mission this time. Yeah, that could have been pretty fucking ugly. Probably a hood rat or two down there, I would assume. Or not. They like to hang out here during the day, I noticed. In this patch of woods.
98 feet altitude, 1,837 feet distance, 22 miles per hour, 83% battery.
I know this is safe because I've done it like 3 times. Doesn't look it, but it is. It's kind of hairy. A lot of times if the hood rats aren't in the fields themselves, they're over here in this patch here, but I don't see any, but that doesn't mean they're not there. It just means I didn't see them. Every time I fly, I usually see about 7 or 8 that I didn't notice until I go back and watch the video.
"154 feet altitude, 3,659 feet distance, 9 miles per hour."
Yeah, I got a little bit of a wind
79%
kicking up.
battery.
This one's going in a gigantic circle, basically, but I won't lose contact anywhere because it's pretty close. And I'm going to get in the car for a minute because I'm cold. The heat on.
"277 feet altitude, 4,295 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 75% battery."
Going a little slow. Got to play since I lost 12% battery going the wrong way. I may have to intervene eventually and bring it back. But I'm just going to let it ride. It's hitting the wind right now. It's only going 5 miles an hour. It's weird because the flag is barely moving too. It doesn't seem that windy.
277 feet altitude, 3,948 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 70% battery.
I can't tell if those are hood rats or just spots in the snow. Don't look like they're moving. Check my radar and see how far away I am.
"277 feet altitude, 4,003 feet distance, 15 miles per hour, 66% battery."
Yeah, I don't have the speed set really fast on this one, so that's why it's going so slow. But once it gets around the turn, it should pick up speed bigly. But anyway, like I said, I'm not in any real risk of getting out of range and losing signal.
"243 feet altitude, 4,619 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 62% battery."
There we go. There's a bunch of them down there. A ton of them. That's where they're all hiding out today.
239 feet altitude, 4,840 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 57% battery.
That's what I like about flying here, out here, because it's so flat and the signal's good. It's going to cut across the train tracks here.
Two 240 feet altitude, 5,319 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 53% battery.
I left the sun hood on because it was sunny when I left the house, but it's no longer sunny. You can see that when I turn. I'd like to be able to take off from there somewhere. Catch a train. Had no luck spotting trains so far. Like I said once before, the only time I did.
269 feet altitude, 4,727 feet distance, 14 miles per hour, 47% battery.
I caught a train down by the port, Rensselaer Port, and I was following it, and it was really cool. And then I realized I never hit the record button. So my only encounter of a train was a fail. .45% battery. Let's see where I am at 35, and I'm going to wind up bringing it back because it's not going to make it the whole way. A little too much wind, but I got good signal.
297 feet altitude, 4,377 feet distance, 14 miles per hour, 43% battery.
Like to have that 12% battery back right about now, but so be it. .100% signal. Doesn't get no better than that. I'm gonna take over. It's not gonna make it.
Mission ended. 299 feet altitude, 4,306 feet distance,
First person.
0 miles per hour, 38% battery.
Head on back.
238 feet altitude.
That's the wind blowing.
1,574 feet distance. 35 miles per hour. 32% battery.
The wind blowing it around. It comes screaming over my head in a second. There he goes. Do a little hood rat check. Then return home. Surprised return home hasn't kicked in on its own.
237 feet altitude. 1,428 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 26% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
So, a little bit too windy to finish that. Had a slow speed. And I lost a lot of time because I loaded the wrong mission and the thing was on its way, who the hell knows where. I think it was headed down towards the Hudson River. If I lost contact, I would never see this thing again. But I have the GPS on board, so I probably would have found it, but
Warning, aircraft battery
still. If you lose connection during a mission, it won't come back on its own unless you stop the mission. It's coming down now.
Battery at 19%.
Yeah, the wind picked up really good. It was a nice day. That's just where it took off. Good spot. Oh, glory.
Warning, aircraft battery at 17%. Altitude, 4 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 15% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 14%.
Didn't want to land. It was just like sitting there. Ooh, it got windy, chilly. Anyways, okay flight. Couldn't finish the mission, but I'll come back when there's no wind. Get about.